5 plus 5 gives us 10. And 5 multiplied by 10 gives us 50. And in the end, 50 divided by 50 becomes 1. But this answer is not correct, because we did not follow the order of operations, which is called PEMDAS. P stands for parentheses. E stands for exponents. M stands for multiplication. D stands for division. A stands for addition. And S stands for subtraction. According to PEMDAS, we first calculate the parentheses, then we calculate the exponents, after the exponents we perform the multiplications and divisions, and finally we do the additions and subtractions. With these explanations, let's solve the question at the beginning of the video according to PEMDAS. Before solving the question, I kindly ask you to like this video right now, subscribe to the channel, and if you have any questions, ask them in the comments. The question is, 50 divided by 5 multiplied by 5 plus 5. According to PEMDAS, we must first calculate what is inside the parentheses. 5 plus 5 becomes 10. The expression becomes 50 divided by 5 multiplied by 10. In mathematics, when a number is placed next to parentheses, it means multiplication, and usually for simplicity and brevity, we do not write the multiplication sign. In this expression, we have both multiplication and division, and since multiplication and division have equal priority, we move from left to right and calculate whichever one we encounter first. In this expression, when we move from left to right, we reach the division first. 50 divided by 5 gives us 10. In the end, 10 multiplied by 10 becomes 100. Now, solve this question according to PEMDAS and write the answer in the comments. The solution to this question will be in the next video on the channel, so subscribe to the channel so you don't miss the upcoming videos. Thank you for watching this video. If you enjoyed it, like the video. If you have any questions, ask them in the comments, and I will definitely answer. Share it with your friends. And subscribe to the channel.